Hey, they ain't know no better. Yeah, they ain't know no better. Yeah, yeah. If I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's a setup, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's a setup, if I ain't know no better, woo. If I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's setup, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's setup, if I ain't know no better, don't know where to go, tell me where to go, don't know how to go around you, don't know where to go, you just over show, I don't know how to go around you. You think niggas raw, but bitches too, just in different ways, I call it passive ways. We just aggressive, that's a different way. Yeah, 18-year contracts, I feel like a scam anyways. Contracts every day. He's just scamming in a different way. I feel like I'm out of place. I feel like I'm out of place. Sell my soul for that dotted line. Yeah, coming back and bite me at the perfect time. Ain't okay. And that's why ain't make no sense. If I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's a setup, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's a setup, if I ain't know no better, woo. If I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's setup, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know no better, if I ain't know it's setup, if I ain't know no better.